The average human bite force is 162 pounds per square inch, which is way less when compared to the mind-blowing bite force of the animals we are about to show you. Stay tuned to Wild Dive as we show you 10 animals with the strongest bite. But before we get started, take a moment to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's dive in. Number 10. Grizzly Bear, 975 psi. A type of brown bear, grizzly bears were once plentiful in the western and northwest regions of the United States. Also called the North American brown bear, the grizzly bear has an astonishing biting force that is close to half a ton. But despite its stunning 975 psi of crushing power, the grizzly bear doesn't just rely on strength. This omnivore, which is native to North America, mostly consumes nuts, berries, fruit, and other vegetation. However, it employs strength to take down prey that ranges in size from rodents to moose. Grizzlies typically have a lifespan of about 25 years in the wild and can reach heights of 5 to 8 feet while weighing in at almost 800 pounds. They get their name from the white-tipped brown fur that covers their firm bodies and has white tips, giving them the look of being grizzled. Number 9. Spotted Hyena. The spotted hyena has a powerful bite of 1100 psi, nearly twice as strong as the lion, which has a bite of 650 psi. This largest species of the hyena family can weigh anywhere between 100 and 200 pounds and measures between 3 and 4 feet long, plus a considerable tail. Despite having a similar appearance to dogs, spotted hyenas are more closely related to cats and civets. They hunt in groups known as clans, which can contain up to 80 members. With their powerful bite, they can break bones and hooves, and they eat almost every part of their prey. Number 9. Polar Bear, 1200 psi. Once thought to be its own separate species, recent evidence has shown that polar bears are a hybrid of brown bears. Not only is the polar bear the biggest bear species in North America, but it also has the strongest bite. The bite force that the polar bear uses to eat seals is estimated to be 1200 psi. Polar bears will also eat whale corpses, fish, and any berries they may locate when food is scarce. Due to their harsh Arctic surroundings, polar bears consume significantly less vegetation than their other relatives. Their white fur hides skin that is actually black to trap as much heat from the sun as they can. Polar bears can reach heights of 7 feet and weights of 1,200 pounds. Despite their massive frames, the webbed paws of the polar bear make them exceptional swimmers. Number 7. Gorilla, 1,300 psi. Gorillas are the largest of the great apes. They live in the forests of Central Africa and share more than 98% of their DNA structure with modern-day humans. Gorillas have a powerful bite force of 1,300 psi. Their powerful bite, which is produced by their broad, muscular neck, is not used to crush the bones of their prey. Gorillas are primarily vegetarian, despite their huge size and amazing strength. They mostly eat plants, shoots, and fruit, and they can chew through bark and roots and other fibrous materials with the help of their huge molars and powerful bite. While mature male gorillas do have quite huge, protruding canines, they mostly use them to show aggression toward rival males or to scare off intruders. Number 6. Jaguar, 1,500 psi. Jaguars are solitary apex predators and have the strongest bite in the Panthera genus. They have a powerful bite force of 1,500 psi. These large predators have bodies that are 5 to 6 feet long and a tail that can reach a length of 3 feet. They can weigh up to 250 pounds. Jaguars also have a distinctive way of capturing their prey. Unlike most other large felines who drag down and eviscerate their prey or bite the throat, the jaguar crushes its prey's skull by biting straight through it. They have been known to pierce a turtle's shell with their teeth. Jaguars and leopards are related and share a lot of traits, such as the distinctive spotted pattern they have on their fur. Only the tiger and the lion are bigger than the jaguar, which is the third largest cat in the world. Despite being extremely strong and agile, this gorgeous cat has been hunted throughout history, primarily for their stunning fur. While hunting for jaguar fur is now prohibited, the numbers of jaguars have declined throughout much of their natural range. They have even completely disappeared from some areas. Today, jaguars can be found in places including Central and South America, as well as the southwestern United States. Number 5. Hippopotamus, 1800 psi. A large semi-aquatic animal, the hippopotamus can be found lazing in rivers and lakes all over sub-Saharan Africa. Despite the hippo's appearance, it is thought to be most closely related to whales, as the two are believed to share a common ancestor that lived about 54 million years ago. The hippopotamus is the third largest land mammal. It weighs between 3,000 and 8,000 pounds, can reach a length of 14 feet, and live for 40 years. Hippos can open their amazing jaws 150 to 180 degrees and can generate 1,800 psi of biting force. Due to their aggression and highly territorial nature, it is said that hippos can bite a crocodile in half. Number 4. American alligator, 2,980 psi. Alligators tend to be smaller than their cousins, the crocodiles, and are among the fastest big reptiles in the world. They have been known to move at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour on land. The American alligators, which can be found throughout the southeastern U.S., can be visually recognized by the way their lower jaw and teeth completely fit entirely within their upper jaw when their mouths are closed, leaving no lower teeth exposed. While the American alligator has notoriously weak jaw-opening muscles, it has a powerful bite force of 2,980 psi. Number 3. Saltwater crocodile, 3,700 psi. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile in the world. Males can reach lengths of up to 7 meters and weights of over 1,000 kilograms. The females, however, are significantly smaller. These reptiles have a bite force of 3,700 psi, which they use to grip onto prey while they use a death roll. They ambush their victim by lurking along the water's edge and lunging violently. They have stayed largely unchanged for 100 million years and are often referred to as living fossils. Number 2. Great white shark, 4,000 psi. The great white shark can be found mostly in temperate and tropical coastal waters all over the world. They are the world's largest predatory fish species and are known to reach lengths of 8 meters or more and weights of over 4,000 pounds. Great white sharks are huge and powerful predators, and they have a bite force of 4,000 psi. They have been among the most ruthless ocean predatory fishes for around 20 million years. Number 1. Nile crocodile, 5,000 psi. The Nile crocodile lives in numerous regions of sub-Saharan Africa, in addition to the Nile Basin and western Madagascar, and can grow up to 20 feet long. They are aggressive and very territorial. Nile crocodiles mainly eat fish, but they will take down any prey that dares to come near the water. They have a bite force of 5,000 psi, which they use to crush their prey before they swallow it, often whole. Nile crocodiles communicate with one another by hissing and growling and can live up to 45 years old in the wild. Honorable mention, tiger, 1,050 psi. An honorable mention is this cat that also has a very strong bite. The largest in the cat family, tigers have a bite force of 1,050 psi, which is also almost twice the power of a lion's. Tigers are also the most dangerous large cats to humans because they live more closely with humans than other wild cats in places such as India. Hope you enjoyed the video. Which other animals do you know with a powerful bite force? Comment below. Also, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss out on any of our upcoming videos. We'll see you in the next video.